Welcome everyone. Hey, I wanted to talk about some origami stuff. If you see the title of this channel, you'll know I like origami. But what we're going to be doing is a Miura tube. So Miura tubes are really cool and they have some really cool properties, which I'll show you later. They are made from Miura folds. This is a Miura fold, right? This is what they fold maps with and they fold like solar panels with. And what you do is you take a valley of a Miura fold like this, and then you take the reverse of it, so it'll be like this, and you put them together, and it makes your Miura tube. So then the Miura tube has these cool properties that you can collapse it, and you can smash it this way, but it gets kind of strong when it's like this. So if you take a couple of Miura tubes and you put them together into a thing called a zipper tube, they actually, while they collapse, they can actually support a bit of weight. And that's kind of the cool thing about it. So I've made some out of cardboard, a little thicker material. I'm going to make a bunch more of these, and there's some cool things we can do with it, which I'll show you in a little bit. So I'm going to get started making a bunch of these. They're kind of a pain, but we'll go through, make a bunch, and then we're going to do some fun experience. So here we go.
If you want to make a Miura tube yourself, just click on the video link here or down in the description for the step-by-step tutorial of how to make a Miura tube. It also includes a digital folding template PDF so that you can print it on the paper of your choice.
So I got this all done, and you can see I've built a bunch more, and they took a long time. But they're kind of fun. They're fun to fidget with and play with. But they have, like I said earlier, they have these cool properties where you can smash it one way and you can smash it another way, but then on the third dimension, it's pretty stiff. And so one of the things I saw that you can do is you can build a thing called an egg box. And so I'm going to make an egg box with all these combined. It's going to take me a minute. We'll put it back together and I'll show you what it can do. It's kind of fun. This is the egg box that I was talking about. So basically you've just stacked some of the Miura tubes one way, and then you stack the other ones the other way, and they connect in pretty good. And this is the cool thing, right? It's flexible one way, it's flexible the other way, but it's pretty strong this way. And you can probably see why it's called the egg box, right? Because it looks like an egg carton. You can just put eggs on there. But anyway, this is, but you can be pretty flexible here, and you can smash these down pretty much as far as you want. But then it's pretty strong. I'm not sure, I haven't tested it with this many books yet. Yeah, it's pretty strong. So this way. So that's kind of fun. That's what makes it fun is the egg box. But we want to try some other stuff. So the egg box is really cool. But other things you can do is you can take two Miura tubes and you can kind of put them opposed to each other, and it's called a zipper tube, and like because they're weaved together in like a zipper fashion, and then they create a structure on both sides, so you still have the flexibility one way, but then you have it's rigid in two ways. And so that's kind of a cool thing to do. And people talk about like making, bridges or something out of that. But when you combine a bunch together like that, right, it's super stretchy, but then it's strong this way and it's strong that way. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, lots of fun stuff you can do. We're going to try and do some other stuff as we go, but just thought I'd show you the cool things you can do with the egg box and the Miura fold. So thanks.